Infinix has launched the Hot S3 in India and it comes in two variants. The Hot S3 with the 3GB RAM and a 32GB storage is priced at 9,000 and the 4GB RAM with the 64GB storage is priced at Rs 11,000. The highlight of the phone is that it comes with a 20 megapixel selfie camera and it will be available on Flipkart. Now let's do an unboxing and take a first look at this device in this video. This is the Hot S3 smartphone. You have some documents, screen guard, soft back case, micro USB cable, power adapter with the 5V 2 amps and a pin. Let's power on the phone. At the back side you have the 13 megapixel camera and a LED flash aligned in the vertical way, fingerprint sensor, Infinix branding. On the top you have the 3.5mm audio jack. Bottom you have the speaker grill, micro USB port and a mic. Left side has a power button and the volume button. Right side has a SIM tray. Let's open the SIM tray and you get a dual SIM and you get a dedicated micro SD card, which is pretty good. Let's set the fingerprint sensor. With the fingerprint sensor, you can unlock the phone or you can also use it to quickly launch a particular app. There are also touch functions, so you can browse the photos, you can use the touch and take up pictures, you can answer the incoming calls by the touch of the fingerprint sensor area and things like that. The Hot S3 has a 5.65-inch display with a HD plus resolution. Display looks pretty good and the display settings also has a night mode. The speaker quality is also pretty loud. This phone runs on Snapdragon 430 chipset and the model I have is a 3GB variant with a 32GB storage. There is also a 4GB and a 64GB variant. It runs on Android Oreo and they have their own UI layered upon. In the settings you find a gesture and smart motion options and you can use certain gesture to launch certain apps, 3-finger screenshot option and a one-hand mode. Now let's move to the camera. It has a 20 megapixel selfie camera which is the highlight and a 13 megapixel rear camera. The camera mode includes panorama, night, pro mode and a time lapse. The rear camera can take a full HD video and now let's check some of these samples. Most of the basic sensors are found including the gyroscope, so the phone supports VR. So that's about the Infinix Hot S3. What do you think about this device? And this is the early impression of this device and I'll do a separate camera review and a full review also. So stay tuned for that. In case you are not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and give a like to this video in case you like this. So this is Lakshman from Tech Raman. Have a good day. Cheers.